What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Jack from Roblox doors. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the nose. We'll start right in the middle at the very top. Start with a point. Now from this point we're just going to curve the nose going out and then down toward the left. Go back up to the top, bend this out, and then down towards the right. Let's round at the bottom of the nose and pull that back up in the center. So start on the left. Rounding this out and going up. Come down and then up on the right side. Now let's fill in the inside of the nose. Now with the nose in place, let's move to the top right and add in the eye. We're going to start right here, curve the eye going up, and then bend that out, and bend this out, and then down towards the side. Let's go back to the inside and curl up the brow, coming in and then up. Let's go back to the inside of the eye, curve the eye coming down. And I just want to tuck this up underneath the eyelid on the right side. Now we're going to add a fold in between the eye and the nose. Starting in here, curve this down and bend that out. Let's grab an ultra thick black marker and fill the inside of the eye. Now from here, we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's go all the way over towards the left side. We're going to curve the mouth coming down underneath the nose. Just going to round this out and then pull that up towards the right side. Let's go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the mouth. Curve this down, round up the mouth, and then again, just pulling that back up. Now we're going to add a fold around the corner of the mouth. Starting in here, bend this up and out. Down around the mouth and in. Now we're going to add a few more wrinkles around the eye. Starting down here, go down and in. Let's go to the top of the eye, just bend this around and then down. Now I'm going to go back to the mouth and draw the bottom edge of the teeth. Starting over on the left, curve this down in the middle and then back up on the right. Now let's separate the teeth. We're going to start right in the middle along the bottom, bend this up, over towards the left, and then back down. Go back to the center, go up towards the right, and then down. Now you want to repeat these shapes out towards the corners of the mouth. So we'll start with the left, going up and down. Let's add two over on the right side. Then we'll bend the last tooth going up and then down towards the side. Let's fill the inside of the gum line. Let's go back to our thick marker and fill the inside of the mouth. Now from here, we're going to add another curve along the bottom of the mouth for the lower lip. Let's start over on the left side. I'm going to bend this down. Just going to bring that down a little bit lower in the middle. Let's round this out and then pull that back up towards the right. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the top half of the head. From the corner of the mouth, let's step out. Just going to bend the head going up. Just going to round out the head, go across towards the right side, and we'll bring that down towards the same height. Now you want to bend the head coming back in towards the side of the lip. Let's start back over on the left. Round this out, and then bend that in towards the side. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom of the head, let's step up and curve the side of the neck. So we'll start on the left, bending this in, down, and then out. And we'll line that up on the right, coming in, down, and out towards the same height. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Now let's go back and add that shadow line. We're gonna start from the top of the nose. We're gonna bend this around the eye, up towards the top, and then out towards the right. Let's go to the bottom left of the nose, bend this out, and then down towards the mouth. Now let's add a curve on the left side of the lip. Bending this down, and then in. Now going back to our thick marker, we're gonna fill the left side of the head and the entire neck area. Let's add some shadow along the bottom right side of the head, starting along the lip, bend this out, and then up towards the side, and fill the inside. And then finishing off by signing our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Jack from Roblox Doors. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.